Hi guys, so let's talk about the fastest online growing businesses that you should try in 2023 guys. My name is Judith. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please remember to subscribe guys if you haven't subscribed. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance and personal development. So if that is the kind of content you're looking for, please hit the red button to join the family. And guys, please excuse the construction noise going on. It is something that I have no control over. So now 2022 is practically over guys, and we have to start gearing for 2023. Maybe you made some progress in your financial freedom, maybe you didn't, maybe you tried, maybe you failed, or maybe you are just on the right track. But now these businesses are the fastest growing online. We know that everything is now coming online, and you are better off embracing online jobs. So now the first online business that is growing very fast is blogging, guys. I have a video on how to start a blog on this channel. I hope I will remember to link it up here so that you can go and watch it. So blogging, you simply choose a niche, meaning something that you enjoy doing, something that you are passionate about, and something that you have more information on. So now you can start a blog in, let's say, motherhood niche, or home improvement, or technology, or gadgets, just anything that you're interested in. And then now, once you have grown your niche to a certain level, you can then monetize your blog. And there are different ways of monetizing your blog, including the first one is you can sell your own products. This includes ebooks, courses. What else? Your own products. You can also monetize your blog through ads. And there are so many ad companies out there that you can join once you get the required number of visitors a month. For example, we have Google AdSense. We also have Ezoic. We have Mediavine. We have AdThrive and so many others. So you can also monetize through ads. You can also monetize your blog through affiliate marketing. This means you'll be selling other people's products. Yes. So now, again, once you have grown your audience, you can sign up with different brands or online stores like Amazon, Walmart. If you are in Kenya, you know about Jumia. And then they will give you a particular link. So that link, when someone clicks that link from your blog and then they go and buy from either Amazon or any other online store, you will get a commission. So that is how you earn from blogging. The good thing about blogging is that you'll earn for a very long time, as long as your blog post or content will keep on appearing in Google search. So now that is number one. Number two, you can do freelancing. Freelancing entails so many things. It just means that you'll not be employed full-time, or as we call it, an office job. So now freelancing is actually growing very, very fast. And I believe that COVID had an impact, a very big impact in their growth, because now so many people lost their jobs. So many people were in the house and they needed something to do. So I believe right now the number of people working online as freelancers is very big, and it continues to grow, guys. Take the opportunity right now. Take up that opportunity and start earning online. Don't use Facebook or YouTube or any other platform just for entertainment. You can also earn from it as you get entertained. So now you can join freelancing platforms like Upwork. We also have Fiverr. We have Outsourcely. On these platforms, you'll be required to create a profile. So now you create a profile, you fill out everything, put your portfolio and experiences according to what you want to do. There are so many things you can do as a freelancer on, let's say, on Upwork. So you can be a freelance writer, you can be a web designer, you can also be a transcriptionist, you can be a script writer, you can be a virtual assistant, You can be a video editor. There are so many things you can do online, guys, as a freelancer. So sign up on any of the platforms I have mentioned, and yeah, start making money as a freelancer. So the third and the last fastest growing business online, guys, is training. So how many of us are not working on anything related to our degree in the university? I'm one of them. So now, right now, people are realizing that what they learned in class is different from real life, and they now want training in specific areas. So, for example, if you are oh God, those dogs. So, for example, if you are good in writing, then you will become a freelance writer, right? So anything, this is the time, by the way, to earn from your passion. Forget about what you learned, by the way. Yeah, those ones, most of us were doing it for our parents. Sad to say it, but now, right now, you can ditch all that and then now get training in a specific area that you love and then start earning from it. Also, people have realized that life is too short to take the long route of learning on your own. Right now, you can learn from the experience of another person. So now, what you need to do if you want to become a trainer is to be really good in your niche. So make sure you have perfected your niche. For example, if you're a freelance writer, make sure that you know everything. Okay, definitely you cannot know everything, but this is where research comes in. You create a course and then you sell it to people. So you can kickstart your training business on platforms like Teachable. It's called Teachable. So this platform will host your training course, and then you can also gather reasonable audience, by the way, whether it is on Facebook, whether it is on YouTube, and then sell them. Whether it's on Quora, etc., and then sell them your courses. I see how Walter Akolo, if you are in Kenya, you know Walter Akolo, how he does it so perfectly. He has a Facebook group, Remarkable Freelancers in Africa, where he markets himself, his writing course. He also has an email list. I'm one of the subscribers to that email list. And one of the things that he does is that he gives free, I can say like free lessons on freelance writing. So you can actually learn about freelance writing by just reading his emails. But now if you want in-depth training, then now you have to pay for his course, which he sells at $50. Yeah. So now you need to provide continuous value for your subscribers so that they can see why they should pay for your course. Again, about Walter, just reading his emails, you'll get encouraged, you'll get a glimpse of what online writing is, how much you'll earn, how much other people are earning, how to find those jobs, and everything that entails freelance writing. So you can also consider creating an affiliate program. This is one area that he hasn't leveraged yet, but you can create an affiliate program so that everyone that brings you a client gets a commission. Yeah. So, and also, if you're a beginner, I know that creating an audience online is not an easy thing. So now, if you're a beginner and you want to start doing training or offering courses, there are also, you can market your training. You can market your training on sites such as Udemy or Skillshare. So now these ones already have thousands of enthusiastic learners who are ready to consume your content. So simply go and sign up there as an instructor and then start marketing your services. At least it will be easier to market yourself on Skillshare or Udemy as opposed to starting from scratch by creating your own audience. So guys, those are the 3 fastest growing online businesses that you can start, that you should actually purpose to start or try come 2023. We have to be financially independent. We have to grow. And I hope that you'll be on this platform when that time comes. where you'll also be on this platform to share your journey with us. Comment down below and let me know how you loved this video. Give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and let's meet on the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.